Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I will be showing you how to create a price list and its use case. To create the price list, you go to Sales, Products, Price Lists. We'll go into the test one that I had already pre-created. So in this category, you can select either category or product. You can set a minimum quantity that needs to be ordered, enable for the price list to be valid, and you can also set a validity period on top of the style of discount that you would like to do. In this use case, I created a sale for winter items, being that it is spring going into summer, and I did a select percentage discount against the default USD, which is the standard pricing listing for the product in the system. I did the sale on a specific category, saleable winter clothes, and I just set the minimum quantity that needed to be ordered as 1. So I will save that. And what that will do is when you create a quotation for that said product, it will be displayed on the sales order at that pre-selected discount based on that product price list that you had created. And to show you that it was 40% off, I will go to the products, and you can see that the sales price in the system is set at $10. $40 off of 10, $6. This is a good thing to use if your company is having a sale on select type of items, or if you just have a general sales price on certain items from a particular vendor, or if you're trying to create different tiers for B2B type resellers. Example, a 30% discount for someone that orders a certain amount throughout the year, or maybe only a 20% discount to a vendor that gives you less business. I hope this was informative. Please click the link below for more information.